Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I thought today was going to be a complete disaster, and it turned out just to be another day. Today we're going to look at how much I made selling a put and a call on SoFi, and also another put that I sold today, and a couple separate calls. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. I've been documenting me trying to sell options for some extra income, and if you'd like to follow along and see how my journey progresses, for good or for worse, hit that subscribe button. But today I sold a put on SoFi. In yesterday's video, I talked about how I might sell a $13 put. And this morning, SoFi was getting near $13.70, which really helped my decision-making process on selling a put on SoFi because I sold this one here for $13 and I made $14 in premium. And SoFi has recovered mostly today. So a lot of this has been recouped already. I could buy to close this, make $6 in profit, and be on my merry way, which is almost an entire Chipotle bowl. But of course, I'm going to let the week progress and see if I can get this to depreciate even more and maybe even end up worthless by this Friday. But let's look at all of the trades that I made today in my trusty spreadsheet, which if you want to help out the channel and obtain this for yourself so you can track your own trades and all of the options that you sell, I'll have a link in the description. You can help with the channel, get something beneficial in the meantime, and stick with me and fill out this to track your own option selling and see how much you make over time. So here's that put I sold on SoFi for the strike price of $13. I also sold a call on SoFi after earnings. This was also while SoFi was down, and made $22 on that in premium for $17.50 strike. So I'd make some really good capital appreciation if this were to become signed post earnings, if the stock shot up for some reason. And if not, then I also made $22 just selling this call. Something else I did today is I sold a put on Nvidia. Nvidia had some questionable news. This one also expires this Friday. Strike price of $125. I made $75 in premium off of that. And then lastly, today I sold a call on the SPY. It expired today actually, and I made $22 off of that. And I ended up rolling that to tomorrow at a higher strike price because it would have probably ended up in the money at 581. Actually, it would have ended up in the money, and then I would have sold those shares. So I rolled it to 585, made an extra $51, and that expires tomorrow. So of course, we'll see what the SPY ends up doing tomorrow. If it keeps going up, I'll have to roll it out because I don't want to give up those shares just yet and see if I can make some premium that way. So that means just today, and what's cool about the spreadsheet is I can just hover over all of these cells and it puts the sum down here. $184 I made in premium just in today's selling options. Of course, this isn't a normal day. I don't usually make this much in a day. But like I said in the video yesterday, what I want to do is continually sell a couple more calls on SoFi because I want to offload some of these shares. And I'm definitely comfortable with selling a few hundred shares at $17.50. So those were my trades today. It was probably a shorter video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you like this kind of content, hit subscribe. If you like the spreadsheet, it'll be linked down below. You can get your own template. And I hope to see you in a future video.